Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So recently I found something very interesting on my Samsung phone, and honestly I don't think many users know about this feature. Now tell me one thing, have you ever noticed that after using your phone for weeks, it doesn't feel as smooth as before? Apps takes little longer to open, multitasking doesn't feel as fast, and sometimes the phone just feel a bit sluggish for no reason. And what people do after facing this issue on their Samsung phone, they start cleaning cache files, installing cleaning apps, or sometimes they even think about resetting the entire phone. But here is the interesting part. Samsung already has a built-in feature that can automatically detect performance issue and help keep your phone running smoothly. And the best part of this feature is once you enable it, you don't have to do anything else. So in this video, I will show you this hidden Samsung feature, how it works, and why I think every Samsung user should turn this feature immediately on. So without further delay, let's get started. Now the feature I'm talking about is called Restart When Needed. To enable it, simply open Settings on your Samsung phone, then scroll down and tap on Device Care. Now tap Auto Optimization. And here you will find an option called Restart When Needed. Simply turn this feature on. That's it, guys. Now you might be thinking why I want my phone to restart automatically, right? Well, Samsung says this feature can automatically restart your phone whenever performance issues are detected by Samsung. But don't worry guys, your phone will not automatically start when you are using it. In fact, Samsung has added a condition before a restart can happen. Restart will only happen when you are not using the phone and the battery percentage is about 30% and also mostly at the night time. Now let me tell you why is this simple feature very useful. When we keep using our phones every day, lots of apps continue running in the background, temporary files build up, and system service keep working for days without a fresh restart. And after some time, that can sometimes make the phone feel slower than before. A simple restart refreshes all those background processes and gives One UI a fresh start again. That's why whenever someone says my phone feels slow, one of the first thing people recommend is restarting the phone, right? So guys, go ahead and turn this feature on and let me know in the comment, did you know this feature already? And if you already know it, did you use this feature or not? Let me know in the comment. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, and thanks for watching this video. Meet you in my next video. Bye, take care.